Welcome to Mindzita, Tech Simplified, Dreams Amplified. In this video, I'll show you how to create an image slider in your WordPress website. Let's begin. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. In WordPress Admin, go to Plugins, Add New. In the search box, type Smart Slider 3. Install the plugin. Once activated, you'll see a Smart Slider menu in your dashboard. Go to Smart Slider Dashboard. Click the New Project button. Choose Create a New Project and then click on Create. In your slider editor, click Add Slide. Choose a source, image, upload from your media library. Select your images and click Insert. Repeat to add as many slides as needed. Now go to Slider Settings. Adjust the width and height of the slider. Now go to the Control tab. You can adjust the arrows and bullets from here. Next, go to Autoplay. Enable or disable automatic sliding. Next, go to Slides tab and choose what you prefer. Save your changes. Now, create the page where you want to add the slider. Go to Pages and click on Add New. Name the page. Click Publish. Now edit the page with Elementor. After publishing, click Edit with Elementor. Elementor Editor will open. In Elementor's left panel, search for Smart Slider in the widget search bar. Drag the Smart Slider widget to the section where you want the slider to appear. After dropping the widget, you'll see a drop-down to select your slider. Choose the slider you previously created in Smart Slider. Click Update in Elementor. Preview the page to make sure the slider works correctly and looks responsive. And that's it. If you run into any issues to add slider website, contact us at info@mindzita.com or call us at 305-434-4698. At Mindzita, we offer affordable services and resolve any problem within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips.